Want to get started with DeepSeek V3 on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to install it in just a few simple steps. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Type DeepSeek V3 into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official app. It should have the DeepSeek logo on it. Tap Get or the download icon next to the app. Wait for the app to download and install. If prompted, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Once installed, tap Open to launch DeepSeek V3. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account, and then make sure to grant any necessary permissions for full functionality. And that's it, you've successfully installed DeepSeek V3 on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.